Okay, so here you can see that I have the setup where I have a gas tube that is bubbling with magnesium ribbon reacting with hydrochloric acid. In this particular gas tube, I had put at the very top, which was on the bottom at that time when I poured in the acid, the concentrated acid, I tipped it upside down and I submerged it underneath the surface of the water so it would not get any regular air bubbling up in it. And it is rubber stoppered off with a piece of copper wire, which doesn't react with hydrochloric acid, but the magnesium does. It was tied onto there, a little 2 centimeter piece of ribbon, which you'll need to calculate to know what its grams was. And once you get its grams, you can figure out how many moles of magnesium are being used in this reaction. Hydrochloric acid will certainly be the excess reagent here. But here you can see the process of it. When the bubbling is all done, we're going to have a volume that is going to be displaced. As you see, the hydrogen gas is coming up into the tube, displacing the water out through into the beaker below. And when that finishes up, then we're going to have a final volume. Because there's water in here as well, we put distilled water in here with the acid. We have to also factor in today what the normal vapor pressure, because at the surface here, there's water molecules in here too that are exerting pressure, not as much as the hydrogen gas, but you do have to factor that in when we do our whole calculations. We also will be noting what the barometric pressure is today. I'll give you that data as we get further along.